Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. iPhone 15 on iOS 18 or later, signed into your Apple ID, connected to Wi-Fi and with decent battery so the process won't interrupt. Once ready, open Settings and tap Apple Intelligence. Choose Turn On. You grant initial permissions, Siri, microphone, iCloud sync, and personalization, because the feature uses those to learn context and deliver suggestions. Make sure to read each prompt. Accepting lets the system activate background processing and sync preferences across devices. Once done with the basic enablement, dig into permissions to tailor behavior. Go through personalization and toggle on device processing when privacy matters, or allow cloud assistance for richer answers. Make sure to set language and voice preferences so responses match your style, and enable Siri integration for shortcuts and voice activation. Then pick which apps, mail, calendar, messages, notes, can feed context. This controls what the intelligence can read to give suggestions. These choices determine accuracy versus privacy trade-offs. To finalize, restart your iPhone so all services initialize cleanly, and then run a few test prompts. Ask for a summary, a calendar suggestion, or a drafting help to confirm responses. Make sure suggestions appear in apps and that Siri uses the new context. If something goes wrong, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, install any pending iOS updates, and verify iCloud is fully signed in and synced. If problems persist, revoke app permissions and regrant them. That often clears stuck access tokens and fixes behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.